Being a seafarer is a great career. But if you're on the fence about giving up your old life or old career and starting a new one on the high seas, well, maybe this video will help you decide.
There's good money, don't you fear. Send the man down by the pier. For the seas alone, it's gone.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome. My name is Joe Franta. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about working and living as a U.S. merchant mariner. So if you're interested in something like that, please be sure to subscribe. Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 reasons why being a merchant mariner is the best job in the world. Those of you who've seen my videos know I'm pretty optimistic and I do love this job. So I'm trying to consolidate it into 5 reasons. So yeah, let's get into the video. Number 5. Lots of jobs. Not only is there a need for seafarers right now, once you get your merchant mariner credential, you're able to work on all kinds of different vessels. And the nice thing is, all that sea time stays on your credential, regardless of the ship you're working on. I'm an AB. That's what I am. On my credential, it says that I'm an AB. With that credential, I can work on fishing ships, I can work on a tugboat, I can work on inland barges, huge container ships, I can work on all these different ships. Moral of the story is, once you get your credential, it opens up doors to work for all different kinds of companies, on all different ships, and that's not even talking about the union stuff. I think there's like 300 union ships. I don't know if that number is still accurate anymore, but I think there's like 300 something union ships. And they're all different jobs, and sailors are definitely in demand right now. So yeah, definitely lots of jobs. All right, number 4. Money. The industry doesn't pay as good as it used to. It's kind of struggled to keep up with inflation. There's actually a great article about this on GCaptain. I'll put the link below. However, if you are good with your money, there's not too many jobs where you can go and work for 6 months and come back with a couple $1,000s. And I don't mean just a couple thousand, but I mean like 30, 40 grand, and that's on the lower end. You also have to remember, you're not just getting paid while you're out at sea, but you're not paying for your food, and you don't have to pay for gas for a daily commute. The trick is to keep your monthly expenses as low as possible while you're out at sea. If you're good with money and you can budget yourself, you have the ability to make and save a decent amount of money. Number 3, career advancement. In this industry, you're the one in charge of your own destiny. If you were completely content being an SA and doing the dishes your whole career, that's perfectly fine. There's nothing against that. However, if you want to put in the time, then go back to school and learn to become a cook, and then maybe a steward and keep advancing, it's all on you. There's no one stopping you besides yourself. So as you know, you enter the deck department. Start off as an OS, an ordinary sailor, and then you move up to AB, and then you move up to bosun. Then you can move up to third mate, second mate, chief mate, captain, pilot. All that is sea time and taking the necessary classes to advance. That's all. So everything's on you. So there's not too many jobs where your destiny is in your own hands. Advancement is all on you. If you want to keep going, you can keep going. If you don't, you can perfectly fine staying where you are. Number 2, time off. Being a merchant sailor, or being a sailor in general, there is no better definition than work hard, play hard. Right now, On average, I sail about half the year. So I work 6 months, but those other 6 months, I can do whatever I want. My time is my own when I'm off the ship. Every company's different. Currently in my union, I have to work 125 days a year to maintain my union status and my health insurance. Some other unions do 75 days on, 75 days off. Some of the smaller ships like tugs or ATBs do 30 on, 30 off. Like I said, every company's different, but when you're home, that time is your own. Having that ultimate freedom is such a great feeling. The job can be hard sometimes, but man, when you walk down that gangway and you have deep pockets and nothing but time, there is no better feeling. That is the best feeling in the world. Having that time off is the most addicting part of the job. I can't ever see myself getting a land-based job being restricted to just having weekends off and a week vacation. And before we get to the number one reason why you should become a seafarer, be sure to check out the Sailor Slap Chest. It's the only place where you can get Joe Frana merch. That's still weird to say out loud. And also check out our Merchant Mariner department t-shirts. We have the deck department, the engine department, and of course the steward department. All original designs. The link is in the description. And now our number one reason. Travel. You're traveling and you're getting paid to travel. It is so nice to have all your things in your little cabin and just the ship changes locations. I have been to so many cool places and I've been paid to go there, which is the coolest part. All right, just to rattle off a couple places I've been in my short career. New Zealand, Norway, Senegal, Italy, even Ascension Island, and probably the craziest place, most recently, I went down to Antarctica. Going to all these places and seeing places that people usually pay to be tourists, it's definitely the best perk of the job. Is when you're on a ship and you pull into a foreign port, the gangway goes down and it's like, oh, where the hell am I? Like, let's go explore a new place. And you're with a bunch of your work buddies, so after dinner, after work, now you're going to some random place in New Zealand, you know? Alrighty, let's do a quick recap. Lots of jobs. There's lots of opportunities as a merchant mariner right now. Sailors are in demand. Career advancement. You can go as far as you want in this industry. It's all on you. Money. If you're good with your money, you have the ability to save a decent amount of money while you're working. Time off. When you're not on a ship, your time is your own and you're able to do whatever you want with your vacation. Ultimate freedom. And last, and definitely not least, the number one reason is travel. You're traveling and you're getting paid to travel. It's the best part about the job. I really do love this job, and I know it's not for everybody, but I hope this video helped you make up your mind and figure out if you want to join and be a merchant mariner. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to support the channel, please consider liking, subscribing, or sharing the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.